Remember this, movement creates momentum. And a lot of what we're doing when we're taking or making is we're using the combination of no movement, slow movement, fast. In other words, accelerate, decelerate, or stop and go. Okay? The movement creates momentum, and the momentum is what you want to be able to get the defense to react. Okay? That's what gets the defense to react, is the fact that you create momentum. But think about it just like this. If we were going 100 miles an hour in a car and you're just driving, there's a lot of momentum, but you don't feel that momentum until what happens. When do you feel that momentum is something if you suddenly do what? You suddenly slam on brake, you know how fast that car was going, the momentum of that car, right? That's what it's like when you're making a move. So if you just drove 100 miles an hour driving, and the defense beside you, they're not going to feel the momentum of that. The momentum is only felt when you stop or you change direction, right? If you're going 100 miles an hour and you try to make a turn and make a quick direction, the car might flip. You're going to notice that there's a momentum of that car going a certain way. Or, like you mentioned, if you try to slam on brakes. So changing direction or changing pace or stopping and going, that's where you feel the momentum that has been created. And same thing in the game. That's why the hezi, even though I'm staying still, when I go up, I'm moving, I'm creating momentum. So when I come down and I go first and you're standing still, I've created momentum. Now you move and the defense moves to try to over accommodate and catch up, and now they actually move faster and now you counter that. That makes sense? That's the momentum. Okay.